What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can install Google Analytics on your WordPress site. It's a very simple process to do. If you don't know what is Google Analytics, you can go watch my video where I explain how it works, what it is, and what can it tell you. There's gonna be a link up here in the card so you can go watch the video. But basically, Google Analytics is just a code that you install on your WordPress site, so you can track everything that happens inside your website, how many users you have in a day, in a month, 60 days, where they're coming from, how long are they staying in your website, which specific page are they visiting the most, what device are they using, is it a tablet, a desktop, a mobile, all that kind of stuff. So you can go watch the video and understand a bit more how this tool can help you. So I break down this process in 3 simple steps. The first step is to create an account with Google Analytics. In order to create a Google Analytics account, you need to have a Gmail address. So if you don't have one, just go ahead, create a Gmail address, and then log in your Google account, just as I am doing right now, as you can see here. So once you do that, you want to go to Google/Analytics. You start for free, set up for free, put the name of your account, leave everything like this. Next, what do you want to measure? In this case, we want to measure a website. We're gonna leave it like this in web. Next, the website name, industry category, choose the industry you're into, choose your time zone, create, then select the country, agree, and agree here, and I accept. Click on save. And this is our dashboard in the Google Analytics account. So this is the first process you have to do. Then the second step is to download a plugin on your WordPress site so you can integrate Google Analytics. So let's do that. In the WordPress dashboard, we're gonna go to plugins, add new. We're gonna search for the plugin Google Analytics. We're gonna install this one. Click on install now and then activate. Okay, and the third and final step is to link your Google Analytics account. We gotta go to MonsterInsights, scroll down, look for Insights, go to settings, click on connect MonsterInsights, choose your Google account, allow to everything, allow, and complete connection. And that's it, guys. Now our MonsterInsights plugin is connected with our Google Analytics account, so we can manage everything inside WordPress. And something I like about this plugin is that you can see the reports within WordPress dashboard here in reports. And of course, guys, you don't want to have anything like data analytics right now, because this is a brand new WordPress website. But later on, when you have data or traffic coming in your website, you're going to be able to see all that. So you're going to be able to see the reports in here, or you can go directly to analytics. But as you can see, you also don't have any data in here. You have to give it time, a couple of weeks, a month, depending on how you want to promote your website. So it's going to gather data, and it's going to see something like this with these numbers, these stats, all of this information, where basically you have the same. You can see all this. How do you acquire users, the traffic channels, the source, the referrals. Basically, this is where you want to get it. If they're coming from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all that, social media, active users, how well do you retain your users. You want to see all this. When do your users visit, at what time they connect the most, where are your users coming from, the city, the country, what are your top devices or the devices they use the most to visit your site. You want to see that here. What pages do your users visit the most? You want to be able to see that all here. And in more detail, you can see in this section the audience, basically just the same. Acquisition, where your audience coming from, YouTube, Facebook, if you're running ads. Behavior, how long are they staying in the website or in a specific page. And the conversions, this is going to tell you how well you are doing on converting your users, your traffic into clients, into customers. So basically you're going to be able to do all this. So go ahead and give it a try, guys. Go and install Google Analytics. And that's it, guys. That's how simple it is to install Google Analytics on your WordPress site in 3 simple steps. So if you find this helpful, share it, comment below if you have any question, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. And that's it for today. Bye bye.